Welcome back to Mathematics class e-learning chapter 14 statistics part 7. In today's session you are going to learn how to find the mean. Already you learned in previous session some more sums based on to find the mean mode of the grouped data. So already in previous session you learned mode of group data and raw data. In today's class you are going to learn some more sums from exercise 14.2, how to find mode of a grouped data. First question. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families. Find the model expenditure of the families. Here 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, and 4000 to 4500. And number of families 26, 42, 33, 28, 32, 22, and 17. So let us see how to find a mode of this data. So write again the given question in a vertical direction, expenditure that is in rupees, that is class intervals, and number of families that is frequency. And now you see here in this the highest frequency is 42. So that is already underlined over here. You see 42 is the highest frequency. So that will be F1. The preceding one is F0. The succeeding one is F2. With respect to the highest frequency, you underline the class interval. In that, what is the lower boundary? L. What is the lower boundary or lower limit? That is L. So the marking part of in the table is also completed. Let us see the calculation part. So mode of the group of data formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Lower boundary of the class L is equal to 1500. Frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 42. Frequency of the preceding model class F0 is equal to 28. Frequency of the succeeding model class F2 is equal to 33. And size of the class is 500. Now see the calculation part. So L plus 1500 plus 42 minus 26, F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into 500, that is H. Now 1500 plus 42 minus 26 is 16, so 16 here, by 2 into 42, its value is 84, minus 26 minus 33 into 500. That is equal to 1500 plus 16 by 84. Two negatives you add, 26 plus 33 is equal to 59. So 16 by 84 minus 59 into 500. That is equal to 1500 plus 16 by 84 minus 59 is exactly 25. So 25 into 500. 500 and 25 both are going in 25 table exactly. So 25, 20s are 500. So 1500 plus 16 into 20, that is equal to 1500 plus 320, that is equal to 1820. So mode of the given data is 1820. Now another question from exercise 14.2. Find the mode of the following data. Number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. These all are exclusive classes. So no need to find any boundary of the classes for this, because the exclusive classes are itself boundary of the classes. Frequencies 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, and 8. Let us see the table. Now again you must write the table in a vertical direction. First column is representing class intervals. Second column is representing frequencies. Now, in the given frequencies, the highest frequency is 20. So, you write that as F1. The preceding one is F0. The succeeding one of 20 is 11. Now, to the highest frequency, the class interval is 40 to, corresponding class interval is 40 to 50. In this, the lower boundary is 40. Now, see the calculation part. That is, lower boundary is equal to 40. Frequency of the model class F1 is equal to 20. F0, that is frequency of the preceding model class, is equal to 12. Then frequency of the succeeding model class, that is F2, is equal to 11. Then size of the class is 10. I already said these are the exclusive classes. So 0 to 10 means exclude 10 and count the numbers from 0 to 9. They are exactly 10. So size of the class is 10. So formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is 40 plus 20 minus 12 by 2 into 22. F1 is 2 into F1. That is 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. That is equal to 40 plus 8 by 2 20s are 40 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. 40 plus 80 by 40 minus 2 negatives you add first, minus 12 minus 11, that is minus 23 into 10. 40 plus 8 by 40 minus 23 is 17. So 8 by 17 into 10. 10 and 17 are not going by same table. So what you must do? Multiply 8 and 10. So 8 and 10 is 80. So 40 plus 80 by 17. When you divide 80 with 17 and take 3 decimal places after the decimal. So you are getting after the division 40 plus 4.705. I have taken 3 decimal places. The third decimal place is 5. So you must add 1 to the second decimal place. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So finally the value is 44.71. So mode of the given data is 44.71. Children, this mode sum is very important for 2 mark question. And the calculation part is so simple, and table also is very simple because you have only the 2 columns in the table. That is just simply in frequency column you have to mark F1, F2 and F0, and in the class interval column you have to mark only lower boundary. Other all directly substitute the values in the formula. Like me, you need not find so many columns for this mode. Okay, so you require only the 2 columns, that is the given question itself, but you must write the given question in a vertical direction. So, my dear children, practice this mode very well. In previous session also I have explained mode, and in today's session also I have explained mode, only 2 more sums. Then I'll be giving 2 more sums based on mode in your assignment, so that you will not forget, as well as the formula and the calculation part also. So my dear children, thank you very much, and I hope you might have understood the mode of the group data and how to substitute the values in the formula and how to take the values from the table to continue the calculation process to find the mode of the given data. Thank you, one and all.